let's look at another application of the distributive property. This time, you're going to see some algebraic variables in the expressions that I want you to try to simplify using the distributive property. So in this case, if you have 2 times x plus 3, here's a picture of what that might look like. If we take a little green bar and let that be the x, or represent the x, or the unknown, and we take a little gold square, and that represents the ones, or the number, the x plus 3 would be x and 3, and then it's 2 sets of that, 2 times x plus 3. So here's a picture of 2 times x plus 3. There's our x plus 3 and another x plus 3. 2 times x plus 3. You can see that from the picture, if we were to put these pieces together, we would have 2 x's, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the numbers. 2x plus 6. So 2 times x plus 3 is 2x plus 6. So there's a picture that shows you what's going on. Now I'm going to show you how you actually show your work and use a distributive property to simplify a problem like 2 times x plus 3. Go ahead and write this one down in your notes. Here's an example. So simplify using the distributive property. The reason I say simplify and not solve is because I have a variable here. I can't solve it because I don't know what x is. I am not told the value of x. So I'm simply going to multiply the number outside the parentheses by everything inside. I like to use little arrows to show what I'm doing. 2 times x, I simply keep that as 2x. I don't know what x is, so 2 times x, I just have to write that as 2x. Now I bring down the plus sign, and 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. So 2 times x plus 3 is 2x plus 6. Very simple. All you do is multiply the number on the outside by every little part on the inside of the parentheses. Why don't you try a few problems on your own? Pause the video and we'll go over them when you finish. Down here we have 8 times x plus 3. All I'm going to do is take 8 and multiply it by x. I don't know what x is, so I write that as 8x plus 8 times 3. That is 24. And this is my answer. This is the simplified form of 8 times x plus 3. Again, I can't solve it. All I'm doing is using the distributive property. I'm rewriting it, or I'm simplifying the expression. Let's check this one. 5 times 9 is 45 plus 5 times x is 5x. Now the order in which you write these doesn't matter. If you wrote 24 plus 8x, that is the same thing. Remember the commutative property? You can move numbers around when adding, and it means the same thing. If you wrote 5x plus 45, that is the same thing. So either one of those answers is correct. Let's check the last one. 2 times x is 2x plus 2 times 3 is 6. You can also write that as 6 plus 2x.